No matter how knowledgeable, amazing, or collegial you are, it's almost certain that at some point people within your organization will take you for granted. They would pay more attention to people outside of the organization and disregard opinions that may emerge from within. So you need to strategize to get noticed, and you want to gain exposure in order to be able to lead some key projects or take some opportunities within the organization. In this video, I'm going to share with you one key strategy of how you can get noticed within your organization. And this strategy is called the outside in strategy to get noticed. And it's something that I've read in a number of books. I've tried it personally and know that it works for a fact. The idea here is simple. The idea is that you need to showcase your credibility outside of the organization. You need to send signals and messages that will convince people outside that you have credibility and you can build expertise in the public space. And by increasing your expertise or perceived expertise outside of the organization, people within the organization will hear about it. And they will believe that as your peer evaluated outside in the organization within the broader realm or industry, then they will get convinced that you're really special in your abilities, in your drive and determination. And then they will trust you more with some key corporate projects within the organization. So how do you manage to build this expertise outside? Nowadays, it's more simple than before, and it's relatively easy as long as you're consistent. There are many people out there utilizing LinkedIn, for example, and they generate content, they generate articles or videos, post that online in order to create a community of people who are passionate about the same business prospects, about the same ideas, etc. And you may do so with LinkedIn, or you may do so with any other social channel used by professionals. You may create your own YouTube channel, and you can create a blog as well in which you publish the latest developments in the field. You can develop a podcast in which you interview people, and this will be a very nice excuse to get in touch with new people, show them that you're interested in what they're doing, interview them for your podcast, and then disseminate those contents in the public domain. And very soon you get noticed and you get recognized as the person who actually has a community. And as you grow your community, members of your community will then interact occasionally with members within your organization. And therefore, you become the popular person. Maybe they've only heard your name within this specific company. And whenever they're meeting people within your company, they will mention you. They will mention that they've seen content from you. They will mention that they like your ideas, and they will be excited talking about you. Not to mention, they always try to build point of commonality. Therefore, simply because you have more exposure outside the organization, they will try to mention your name in order to become more of an insider within your organization. And this is fine. This helps them, but it also helps you because it helps you to stand out within your organization. These are very important things that you could do. And as part of this process, you can become a volunteer to be operating the company's Twitter channel, to be creating some videos that presents the company outside the organization, or you just simply share your ideas outside of the organization, as long as it's not a conflict of interest, as long as you're not giving away key knowledge from within your organization and distributing it publicly. But assuming that this is not the case, sharing some sort of expertise out there would be very valuable for you. You can even participate in one of those TED conferences in which you show up in front of an audience and speak about an interesting topic. And this is a proven way of getting many people to notice you, getting many people to understand your ideas, and perhaps share the passion about the topic that you're discussing. So this is something that you can try. Again, this is called the outside in strategy to get noticed. And this is the one single most effective way of preventing your colleagues from taking you for granted. Try it and share with me your results. If you have any concerns, share these in the comment section. I would like to hear from you, and I always answer any comments Thank you all. This is everything from me for now, and we can catch up in the next video. Peace out.